Okay, once we've logged into our Canva, let's look for flyer, a plain flyer. So type flyer. Then let's click on apps. Now this is a plain flyer. Then go down, let's click on apps. Then go to photos. Then let's look for blue gradients or gradient blue. Now let's pick any of this blue color. Let's look for something more cool and attractive at the same time. Okay, I think this is okay. Let's make it. Let's turn it. Click on that like bracket. Then move it. Turn it. Straighten it. Then move it to the up. Click at the edge down there. Then draw it down. Okay. Now we have a background that we can use. Then let's go to elements. Let's see. Let's see. A lady on jeans, jean on top with sunglasses. Okay, now let's look for, okay, let's pick this one. Now let's remove the background. Click on this BG remover, remove the background. Okay, let's bold this. Okay. Alright, now that we've done that, let's go to text. Let's add text to this. Click on text. Click on any of the fonts there. We're still going to edit and change it. So let's say newly opened. Okay, double click and change it to, let's use atom. Okay, now let's bold this. Let's make it bold. Okay, let's duplicate this. Click on the cross. Click on the cross sign, then let's duplicate it. Okay, we're trying to make it more bold. Okay. Let's go to layers. Now double click and draw it down, move it down there. So now this newly opened, the one at the front layer, I want to make it thinner. So you click on effect and click on this holo. Let's make it more thin. So you reduce the thickness, make it more lighter. So let's adjust it. So we'll go back to layers. Let's go back to layers. Then bring the previous one. Let it be at the back of the lady. So we'll go back to we'll come back here and try to adjust the newly opened. Let it rhyme with the one at the back. So let's adjust this. So let's adjust this newly opened so it rhymes with the one at the back. So there you have it. So let's add maybe order now or pay now or contact info. We'll add it at the down there. So before we do that, let's give this let's put a shade over the lady because it seems she's like she's under a sun or something. So let's give it a shade. So we'll look for leaf, like dark leaf. So you look for the transparent one. Go to graphics and look for something transparent, something like this. Let's click on this. So you move it towards her forehead, so it will seem as if she's under a shade. So adjust it and make it, just try and cover her face a little bit. So let's look for something else again. Let's look for another leaf. We can use let's use this. So move it down, move it up, sorry Jerry, just move it there. Okay, now we've added a shade over her. So let's come down here and add a font, a letter. You can say order now. So we are using this font. Let's use this font. Then you draw it, bring it down. So let's duplicate this and add maybe an Instagram handle or something. So let's look for Instagram logo. So let's duplicate this order now. Let's type maybe Victoria or Victory or something. Okay, Vicky for real. They say that's the contact, the person's client's Instagram handle. So you move it down, indicate that that's Instagram handle. So you bring the Instagram logo down beside the Vicky for real. I've moved the other down a little bit, so yeah, and there you have it. I will just create a flyer from scratch. We don't need to edit other people's templates, just try and create yours. Okay, now let's do our second design for today. This is a plain flyer, so let's try and create a Christmas flyer or maybe design or something. So let's start with Christmas. let's look for Merry Christmas. Let's just begin. Let's type Merry Christmas. Let's just begin it. Okay, let's pick this first one. Okay, move it to the middle, then make it big. Let's make it big. Okay. Let's go back again. Go back to if elements. We can use this flying horse, this Christmas. Let's just look for Christmas design to add up with it. Okay, let's use this. Move it there, then draw it down. Good. Let's use this too. Let's change this to blue or black so that it will be visible. We're still going to change it back to white later. Or grey. You can just use grey here. So move this, then move this here. Okay. Now let's look for let's move this. Okay, let's go to herbs. Okay, let's change the colors first. Change all the colors to white now that we've positioned it. Changing all the colors to white. Let's use that blue gradient. Blue ink, sorry. Okay. Let's make it bold. So it will cover those it will cover everywhere. Okay, good. Then let's go to layers. You click on this, then go to layers. Then we'll bring it will be at the back on top of this white. There you have it. So now this format is, we use a picture format. So instead of us using a picture, we can as well use video. So now let's say we want to do the video method. So you click on the, see that same method, you go to app, blue ink, then look for video. So now let's use this video. So we'll put it on the ground. It will be under backward layers of this everything we just created now. So now that we've done this, you go to layers, then bring it down, no, down, then this, the one previous one will delete that one. So here we have it. And here is the finished product. So instead of using blue ink, maybe for Christmas period, you can as well use red ink or yellow ink. Hope you're getting it. You see how the background is flowing and it's doing Merry Christmas. Then after creating this, you can as well use a Christmas song or tune to make